Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today we are reviewing Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about skincare and makeup, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty videos. So this is how the product looks like. Glow Recipe. You can see it comes in like a glass jar and it's yellow like a banana. I have my phone. I'm going to read to you guys the claims about this moisturizer. So it claims it is a soothing lightweight moisturizer with a sweet swirl of banana. It has magnesium, turmeric, and sisa. Sisa is supposed to calm your skin and hydrate and even skin tones. And best thing about it, that this moisturizer, it is for all skin types. So if you have normal skin, dry skin, combination skin, and oily skin, this will be the perfect moisturizer for you. And it says it also helps, this moisturizer also helps if you have dryness and redness on the skin. And the formula is a lightweight, so it's a lightweight moisturizer. You know guys, I love lightweight moisturizers. But it has magnesium and potassium in it, and it's vegan and cruelty free. It retails for $39 and it's available at Sephora. Okay, so I have a clean face and this is how it looks like once again. And open it. Oh, it smells like bananas. You know what? By me smelling it, smells like I just want to have a smoothie right now. It smells so good. But anyway, this is how it looks like. This is how the formula looks, the moisturizer looks when you... It's super lightweight, this moisturizer. Very soupy, very lightweight. It is not a thick moisturizer. So if you're looking for a thick moisturizer, this will not be the moisturizer for you because it's very thin and lightweight, the formula. I'm gonna put a little bit more. It smells so good. Like, I want to eat bananas. I want to drink a smoothie right now. It smells delicious. I think I put too much. So for first impression, a little bit of this moisturizer goes a long way because I put too much and my face is looking slippery now. But so far, first impression, a little bit of moisturizer goes a long way. My honest opinion about this Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream, it is lightweight, super light. It's very soupy when you take it out and try to apply it to your face. Very soupy. Second, it is very hydrating. When you massage all the moisturizer cream to your face, massage it, very moisturized. It definitely like plumps your skin instantly. Really like it. Third thing about this moisturizer, a little bit of the moisturizer goes a long way, and I think I took a lot. think I took a lot, but overall I really like it. Do you guys see how my skin is looking? My skin is looking very hydrating and plump. And then it really smells like bananas. It smells so good. It smells so good, like you want to eat it. Like I said, it's like I want a smoothie right now. But I really like it. Overall experience, I love it. Will I purchase this again? Yes, it is an amazing product. I would definitely purchase it. I really like the way it plumps my skin and hydrate it instantly. I really love the way it feels. But again, when you use skincare products, you definitely have to test it out in a week or two to really find out if this skincare works well. But this is just like a first impression of, like a quick first impression of how I feel about this moisturizer, like instantly. But you know, you cannot tell if a skincare product is good just in one day, but you have to be 2 weeks. But this is overall like my first impression of this product overall, and I really love it, and I would definitely purchase it again at Sephora. And again, it retails for $39. I know it sounds a little pricey for $39 because it comes in a small jar, but it is worth it because you definitely get your money's worth, because it is clean, it has no sulfur, it's cruelty free, and the fact that it is just great for all skin types. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this skincare first impression review on this Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. If you love this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe right here, and I'll see you in my next video.